Woohoo! Sorry, I can't scream. I'm sick. I can't. I'm just getting this on video. Ah, there we go. Yes, no, that's damn. Boom, though. There we go. Make sure none of the buildings in the back are. Okay, all buildings back there are doing good. All good. We're good on that side. I'm going in for a wide angle. Remain. I want to get a wide angle of this. You're right, it really is. Make sure the buildings in the back are still there. Yes! That's why I didn't move to 71 Broadway. Yes! Come on, cue the rainbow one, cue the rainbow one, cue the rainbow one, come on. I'm not coming from the Bronx for nothing. Boom. You got them both at the same time?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm doing video and photos.
Nice. I'm gonna try to go in for another wide angle, but it looks like this is wide enough because we're on this side of the island, not that side. Yes, for the horn. Yes. Yes, for that horn. Yes. Don't crash the boat, though. I only know how to row a lifeboat a little bit. Or operate, that is. Bam! I fucking love this. Can I curse in YouTube videos?
Yes.
Fuck yes. Oh my god, I hate having a sore throat. I'll be screaming out, yes! And you're no better than me. I say, who's washing the goods? Or station, that is. Okay, I'm just waiting for the rainbow one. Yes! That fucking boom! Yes! I'm surprised they're so silent. Because you can't speak. So this is why we came. Your people, that's your people. That's not my side, it's your side. That's not my side, but it's your side of the family. Boom! Yes! Yes! Okay. I feel bad for the people who live up there. Fucking echo though. Yes! Damn, you think the one up by Midtown would have been good too? I was still on the train when you sent me that message. I'm like, fuck, I was gonna say meet me there. Meet me.
Yeah, but for the one at Midtown, I got it almost getting home.
You literally got it when they were doing it. Like, oh shit, we forgot to send out the notification of a fireworks display.
Wait, I got somebody there. I think I got somebody.
That thing's been rocking for a while now.
I got yours? No, I don't think so.
We have to watch the ferries.
What? Damn it. Remain, I'm gonna get a wide angle. At least try to. I told you we should have been on the ferry. God damn. Okay. Oh my god. That's the ferry over. Try to find the ferry. That's the frickin' Staten Island ferry. Oh my god. How much you want to bet those paranoid ass Staten Islanders will believe that they're gonna be blown up? They're like, oh my god, we're gonna be blown up. No, you guys are not gonna be blown up. You guys are very much safe. I'm lying. This is New York. Nobody's safe. This is fucking fun though. Now where is your people to start whistling at? Boom. Oh my god. More boom, more echo. Oh. Oh, splooge. Speaking of which, I'll tell you that story when we get back on the sober. I'm gonna get like a zoom shot. Nice shot. Damn, nice cast. That's impressive. Yeah, we're sitting here where people fish at. And that way down there, that's the Statue of Liberty. These are fireworks we're actually looking at. Oh man. And that's the speedboat going all the way down there somewhere. Can't find it, too dark. I'd kneel down to be more comfortable, but I'm like, nope. Uh-oh. And there goes the boom. Nice cast. I don't even know if my HDR is on. And I'm gonna send you this video via What's Crap. Oh man, this is amazing. I wonder if my friend down south has What's Crap. Because in the video, boom, goes the dynamite. Yeah, there's your people, there's your people. Oh my god. The echo is freaking real though. Oh my god. Everybody's lines are getting caught together. Well, it's the togetherness of New York. Which doesn't exist, by the way. Wow, I can actually blind the camera with the light. Forgot I know how to do that at night. So what do you think, Jay? How's it going so far?
Pretty good.
Actually,
I'm
I can
actually
get...
zoomed in my camera.
Nice. I can zoom all the way to the statue. See? I can get it where it's like the front row seat. And that's not even the most. I can get Liberty like she's my girlfriend next to me. And there's freaking fireworks like it's right in front of me though. Yo. It's like this shit is right in front of me though. Are you seeing this? Look at this zoom. Oh my god. The galaxies are real. Oh my god. Yes. Boom. Yes, look at all that freaking smoke. That's how true it is. The boat's like, are y'all done yet? Like, nope. Nope. Are y'all done? Yo, look at this fucking boat right here. Rickin' and rockin' and rickin' and rockin'. Damn, that freaking boat. Does that mean they're done? Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blow it up. Let me stop.